Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to leave a review on Angi. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to leave a review on Angi, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Angi application and be sure to be logged into your account. Then next is to find the service of professional by tapping on the search bar, and then you can search the bar to look at the company, contractor or service provider you want to review. You can also go to my reviews or past projects if you already hired them through Angi, and then all you gotta do is click on write a review. On the provider's profile, look for an write a review or add review button. Some listing may so leave a feedback instead, and then all you gotta do is fill out the form from rating, title, comments and optional, and once done, simply submit the review by clicking on submit or post review, and Angi may moderate your review before it appears publicly. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.